Well, it's that time again. Time for pizza pizzazz. Do you like a banh mi sandwich? I sure do, with all those pickled yummy vegetables on top. Well, I thought, why not make a banh mi pizza? Let's do it now. Grab a frozen store-bought pizza and add some pizzazz. It's a pizza pizzazz party.
Good. Yeah!
Time to chop some vegetables. I'm going to chop up some radish, cucumber, and I'm cheating and using some shredded carrots. I'm going to put a little extra cheese on this pizza and let it start cooking. In a pan, you need to combine half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, cup of water, shake of salt, and bring to a simmer. Stir it until that sugar is dissolved. Stir in those vegetables. I'm gonna stir them, remove them from heat, and let it sit for 10 minutes. I'm gonna make a drizzle for this pizza. I'm gonna start with a little mayonnaise. I'm just using this bottle. There's about 2 tablespoons in there. Add a little squirt of sriracha, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a few drops of soy sauce. Give it a shake. I'm gonna drain these veggies and set them aside. The pizza is cooked. Time to add on those pickled veggies. Time to squirt on some of that sauce. And I'm gonna rip off and sprinkle on a little cilantro onto that pizza. Banh Mi Pizza. I'm ready to dig in. There it is. Wow. It is absolutely awesome. Pickled vegetables are great on a pizza. What do you call it when a giraffe swallows a toy jet? A plane in the neck.